Remember the good old days of landlines? Reliable, familiar, a comforting presence on the kitchen counter. But these days, landlines feel a bit like rotary phones, relics of a bygone era. Enter the world of VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. Companies like Ooma promise crystal clear calls at a fraction of the price. But is it the right fit for everyone, especially seniors who might be less tech-savvy? Let's dive in and see if Ooma rings true for our golden-aged audience. The allure of affordability. First things first, cost. Traditional landlines can be a real burden on the wallet, especially with all the extra features and taxes tacked on. Ooma boasts significant savings, with their basic plan offering unlimited nationwide calling for a mere monthly fee, plus taxes and a one-time purchase of the Ooma Tello device. That's a stark contrast to traditional landlines, making Ooma an attractive option for seniors on a fixed income. Simplicity is key, but affordability is only half the battle. Complexity can be a real turn-off, especially for those less comfortable with technology. The good news is, Ooma is designed to be user-friendly. Setting up the Ooma Tello device is a breeze. Just plug it into your internet router and existing phone jacks. Phone calls work exactly the way they always have, using the same familiar phone handset. No need to download apps or fiddle with confusing interfaces. Features for safety and security. Now, what about those features that might be especially important for seniors? Here's where Ooma shines. Ooma offers robust call blocking, a lifesaver in today's world of relentless robocalls and scam attempts. You can even set it up to only ring for calls from pre-approved numbers, giving you peace of mind that only the familiar voices will come through. Another key feature is Ooma's advanced 911 service. In an emergency, Ooma transmits your exact address to emergency responders, even if you can't speak. This can be a critical advantage, especially for seniors who might live alone. Beyond the basics, extra bells and whistles, Ooma isn't just about affordability and basic functionality. They offer a premium plan with additional features that some seniors might find useful. This includes voicemail transcription, call forwarding to a mobile phone, and even integration with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa. Considering the tech curve, of course, it's important to be realistic about technical comfort levels. While Ooma is user-friendly, there is still a slight learning curve involved, especially compared to a traditional landline. Setting up the device and navigating the online interface might require some initial assistance, perhaps from a family member or a tech-savvy friend. There's also the question of internet dependence. Unlike traditional landlines, Ooma relies on a stable internet connection. If internet outages are frequent in your area, this could be a deal breaker. So, is Ooma the golden phone for seniors? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. If affordability and basic functionality are your top priorities, then Ooma is a strong contender. The user-friendly interface and features like call blocking and emergency services make it a compelling choice. However, if technical know-how is a major concern, or internet reliability is an issue in your area, then a traditional landline might be a safer bet. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Ooma is right for you or your senior loved one is to try it out. Ooma offers a 30-day return policy, so you can experiment risk-free and see if it rings true for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.